Discover the coolest Amazon cart gadgets that blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to sleek organizers, these picks make driving easier, safer, and a lot more fun. All the product links are in the video description.
Magnetic suction cup phone mount for MagSafe. Secure your iPhone with this ultra-strong magnetic car mount. Features a 360-degree adjustable design and a foldable, pocket-sized build for easy portability. Delivers a firm, wobble-free grip for MagSafe-compatible iPhones from 12 to 17 series. A sleek, reliable holder for safer, hands-free driving. Yoyar magnetic sunglass holder for car. Keep your shades protected with this magnetic leather visor clip. Hold sunglasses, cards, and tickets securely without scratching lenses. Designed to blend seamlessly into any interior. A simple, elegant way to keep essentials within reach. 10.1-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto CarPlay screen. Upgrade any car with a bright 10.1-inch touchscreen featuring wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, Z-Link, and backup camera support. Easy install with double DIN compatibility. Enjoy modern connectivity, music, and maps instantly. No new car required. Car seat gap filler, 2-pack. Stop losing items between your seat and console with these no-drop gap fillers. Fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks, featuring a built-in phone holder for easy access. Keeps your cabin clean, organized, and frustration-free on every drive. Noco Boost Plus Air AX65 jump starter with tire inflator. A powerful 2000A jump starter combined with a high-flow air compressor. Starts up to 8.0-liter gas and 6.0-liter diesel engines and inflates tires from 0 to 40 psi in just 2 minutes. A compact, all-in-one emergency tool every driver should carry. 2025 upgraded MagSafe magnetic phone holder for car. Experience unmatched holding power with this strongest ever MagSafe car mount. Works on dashboards, windshields, or vents, and supports iPhone 12 through 17 and Android devices. Sleek, secure, and built for smooth, stable navigation. Floridge car seat extender leg support cushion. Enhance long drive comfort with this ergonomic leather leg rest. Provides extended thigh support for drivers or office seating. Universal fit and premium cushioning help reduce fatigue on extended trips. DDPI Z50 Pro 4K plus 1080p dashcam. Capture every drive with crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear footage. Features built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi 6, AI night vision, ADAS safety alerts, and 48-hour parking monitoring. Includes 64 gigabytes of storage for reliable, hands-free recording. Mini car trash can with lid, 2-pack. A compact, leak-proof bin that fits any car cup holder. Perfect for wrappers, tissues, and small messes. Keeps your car interior tidy and clutter-free at all times. Frisu leather car seat console cover. Upgrade your interior with this luxury armrest cover featuring a built-in storage box, cup holder, tissue slot, and phone compartment. Waterproof, cushioned, and universal fit for added comfort and organization. JK Cover front underseat storage organizer tray. Add hidden storage to your Jeep with this patented underseat organizer, designed for Wrangler JL, JLU, and Gladiator JT models, 2018-2025. It fits securely and keeps tools, gear, and small essentials neatly tucked away. A smart, space-saving upgrade for a cleaner interior. Utri 4000A jump starter with air compressor. Take on roadside emergencies with this powerful 4000A jump starter and 150 psi air compressor. Starts up to 8.5-liter gas or 6.5-liter diesel engines with ease. Includes LED lights, sturdy jumper cables, and a protective storage case. A dependable all-in-one rescue tool for every vehicle. Lyson 96W retractable 4-in-1 car charger. Charge multiple devices fast with this retractable 96W car charger featuring USB-C and Lightning cables. Compatible with iPhone 12 through 17, Samsung S25/24, and all major Android devices. Tangle-free, powerful, and built for smooth charging on the go. Smart car air freshener diffuser with starry projection. Transform your drive with this rechargeable aroma diffuser featuring a starry sky projection. Includes a 50 milliliter cologne-scented perfume and 3 adjustable modes. Auto on-off detection keeps your car fresh effortlessly, creating a soothing, modern cabin atmosphere. Coverado full pink leather seat cover set. Upgrade your ride with these waterproof leather seat covers in a bold pink design. Includes lumbar support for added comfort and a universal fit for most cars. Durable, stylish, and protective. Perfect for drivers who want comfort and personality. Upgraded 360-degree vacuum magnetic phone holder. Enjoy hands-free convenience with this ultra-strong vacuum-sealed magnet. Offers a 360-degree adjustable design and works on dashboards, mirrors, gym equipment, and more. Secure grip for iPhone 17 Pro Max and all major Android phones. Licensed 75W retractable 4-in-1 car charger. A compact, fast-charging retractable car charger built for iPhone, Samsung, and Android devices. Features a powerful 75-watt output with multiple connectors for all your tech. A clean, clutter-free charging solution for everyday driving. R8 Portable Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Inflate tires quickly with this 12V air compressor featuring a large dual digital display. Provides 3 times faster airflow for cars, bikes, balls, and more. Compact, accurate, and ideal for both roadside emergencies and home use. 3-in-1 wireless fast charging mount. Secure your phone and charge it at the same time with this auto clamping mount. Supports fast charging for iPhone and Samsung models and installs easily on dash, vent, or windshield. A reliable must-have for hands-free driving.
2.5-ton hydraulic floor jack, low profile. Lift with confidence using the 2.5-ton heavy-duty floor jack. Constructed from reinforced steel and featuring a single piston pump, it offers a lifting range from 3.4 inches to 14.6 inches. Designed for performance, durability, and user safety. Cordless car vacuum and tire inflator, 2-in-1. Experience unmatched versatility with this cordless car vacuum and tire inflator combo, combining 150 psi air compression with 12,000 PA suction power. It allows fast inflation and deep cleaning in one compact device, the ultimate tool for automotive care. Andabil MagSafe Car Mount. Experience effortless phone mounting with the Andabil all-metal magnetic car mount. Designed with the strongest built-in magnets and full 360-degree rotation, it holds your iPhone or Galaxy securely through every turn. Sleek, durable, and easy to install, it's built for drivers who demand both function and style. Decent Car Windshield Cleaning Tool. Keep your windshield crystal clear with this extendable cleaner featuring 5 reusable microfiber pads. It reaches tough corners with ease and leaves a streak-free shine inside or out. Compact, convenient, and perfect for quick touch-ups on the go. SyncWire Magnetic Car Phone Holder. Drive hands-free with confidence using this 360-degree adjustable magnetic mount. It provides a strong hold for phones, GPS units, or mini tablets, ensuring steady navigation and easy access. Simple design, universal fit, and a smooth, minimalist finish. Freddy Sue Car Visor Tissue Holder. A refined essential that keeps tissues within reach and your interior organized. Crafted from premium materials, this visor-mounted holder fits neatly above your seat for quick convenience on the road. Multi-function car anti-slip mat with phone holder. Stay organized while you drive with this extra-large anti-slip dashboard mat. It keeps your phone, keys, and gadgets firmly in place with an integrated holder for hands-free viewing. Practical, stable, and easy to clean. Denvix Cordless Tire Inflator Deluxe. Power meets precision in this portable air compressor with a high-capacity battery and rapid 45-watt recharging. Delivers fast, quiet inflation for car tires, bikes, or sports gear, built to perform wherever you travel. Car Seat Protectors 2-pack. Shield your seats from spills, scratches, and wear with these padded waterproof covers. Ideal for child seats or pet travel, they feature slip-resistant backing and mesh storage pockets for on-the-go organization. Turret Insulated Cooler Bag. Keep your refreshments cold for hours in this collapsible high-capacity soft cooler. Spacious enough for long drives or weekend trips. It's leak-proof, durable, and comfortable to carry anywhere adventure calls. Retractable Fast Car Charger, 4-in-1. Charge all your devices with one sleek adapter featuring dual retractable cables and dual USB ports. Designed for fast, stable charging and tangle-free convenience, ideal for any modern vehicle. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. Compact and powerful, this HD dashcam records every drive in stunning clarity. With a 140-degree wide lens, voice control, and automatic recording, it's your discreet co-pilot for everyday protection and peace of mind. Vixseed Military-Grade Car Phone Mount. Engineered from reinforced metal, this phone mount locks firmly into your CD slot or air vent. Shock-resistant and case-friendly, it keeps your device stable even on rough roads. Perfect for any driver who values security and style. Dial-in Car Cup Holder Tray. Enjoy convenience on the road with the Dial-in Cup Holder Expander and Food Tray. This 9.5-inch detachable tray securely fits cups and bottles from 16 to 46 ounces, including Yeti and Hydro Flask. Ideal for meals or work during travel, this is an essential companion for road trips and daily commutes. Tossit's Recycled Disposable Car Trash Bags. Maintain a clean, organized vehicle with Tossit's leak-proof disposable car trash bags. Designed to hang easily, these smell-proof and leak-resistant bags are crafted from recycled materials, a practical and eco-conscious solution for cars, trucks, and RVs alike. Mully Soft Car Seat Organizer, Black. Keep travel essentials within reach with the Mully Soft Backseat Car Organizer. Featuring 11 storage compartments and 2 integrated cup holders, it ensures orderly travel for both adults and children. Durable, easy to install, and perfect for long journeys. Lamp Car Windshield Sunshade, 2025 updated. Protect your vehicle's interior from sun damage with the Lamp Spring Structure Windshield Sunshade. The innovative umbrella design provides effective heat resistance while maintaining ease of use, a sleek and practical upgrade for summer driving comfort. Spinner Knob Steering Wheel Buddy, 360-degree rotation. Enhance driving control with the Spinner Knob Steering Wheel Buddy. Featuring smooth metal bearings and a comfortable silicone surface, this ergonomic tool allows effortless 360-degree rotation, ideal for cars, trucks, and boats. Robot Intelligent Aromatherapy Machine, Black V2. Experience refined in-car ambiance with the Robot Intelligent Aromatherapy Diffuser. Designed with vibration sensing, adjustable mist levels, and a refillable chamber, it offers lasting fragrance and elegant style. A perfect blend of technology and design. X95 GPS speedometer and inclinometer. Monitor your vehicle's performance with the X95 GPS speedometer and tilt gauge. This multifunctional device displays speed, angle, and slope, essential for off-road enthusiasts and precision driving. Reliable, durable, and highly responsive. Car ashtray with lid and LED light. The smokeless stainless steel car ashtray combines elegance with practicality. Featuring a sealed, odor-proof lid and blue LED illumination, it ensures cleanliness and style in any vehicle interior. Luminix 42 LED Rooftop Strobe Light Bar. Ensure visibility and safety with the Amber Strobe Beacon Light Bar. Equipped with 42 high-intensity LEDs and a remote controller, it is ideal for emergency, construction, or towing vehicles. A patented design that delivers both power and precision.